So now I'm looking at the actual outcome of our model that we've created. As you remember, I have 160,000 square feet at $30 a foot a year, which would create a total revenue of $4.8 million. I've also selected that I have a 3-month rent abatement. So for 3 out of the 12 months of this first year, there will be no rent paid. So the rent abatements are at a total cost of 1.2 million. We don't have any other operating costs included here. So we basically just have a $3.6 million cash flow in the first year, ramping up to 4.8 over the 10-year holding period. For simplicity's sake, I haven't included any sources of capital. The property summary just shows the size of the property, the number of tenants that we have, and the 80% of occupied space. When I click close here, I go back to property level reports. I had selected view to view those reports. I'm going to click close on here. I'm going to look at how the dashboard was affected. So looking at the executive dashboard here, you can see the dollar amount of income to the left side. We are averaging for the total 200,000 square feet, $24 per square foot per year. That is because 160 square feet of the property is occupied with 80% average occupancy. You'll also see around this page a number of different resources here. We have not set a property sale at the end of the holding period, so we don't see anything here. We have no cap rates. We have no debt. We're looking at a very basic model here. We have 2 tenants, the office one and the retail. The graphs that are visible but not too useful are showing a 3.6 million in revenue in the first year and the 4.8 over the course of the holding period. That is going to be a net operating income. We have no debt on the property, so the cash flow is the same after debt service. Percent occupancy by year, we have constant 80% over the course of the property. We have 15 years of lease in place, so there are no lease expirations. We have no leverage. So basically what you're seeing here is a lot of things that we will go through and define a later time, but we are just exploring how we begin to build a model in this program.